All right, a new interactive exhibit is bringing one of history's most famous voyages to life. Titanic, an immersive voyage lets visitors step inside the world of the legendary ship. 8 on your side, Jenna Bass is live in Tampa with more on this attraction. Good morning.
Good morning. Yeah, so I've been hopping around all over the attraction trying to give you guys sneak peeks, and now we're here in the dining area where you see with this specific exhibit they've taken the liberty of colorizing, which I don't know that I've ever seen anything so accurate as far as the colorization goes on the Titanic. And of course all the dining room and the china, and we've got Gotham here with the Exhibition Hub. Talk to me about the fascination, because a lot of people love to see the relics, and these are from the Titanic.
Yes, they're from Titanic, actually White Star Line that own Titanic and Olympic, sister ships. What you will see here, and it's very interesting to see the societal differences, that people are here from all walks of life and how they were, from first class to the third class. You will see all of that in one shot. You will experience that. And
then, of course, some of these are from people's private collections, survivors.
Yes, they're from survivors. They're from curators who have curated a lot of Titanic and Olympic artifacts, and you will see that.
And now talk to me about the first class dining area photo that you guys have colorized, because like I was mentioning, I don't think I've ever seen an accurate representation of that in color.
Yeah, absolutely, because a lot of places have the vintage photo, black and white, so our team has done a very good job in showing what it felt like being on Titanic in the first class dining room. And what you will see here is the passengers experienced a first class dining. You don't see any portholes. You feel like you're in this very luxurious restaurant.
Yeah, perfect. All right, so real quick, not so luxurious, and I want to show you guys a sneak peek of this part. This is also part of the immersive experience here, and I can tell you from experience, it is very cold in this room. This is the immersive part of it, where they take you through about a 15-minute video. These are the life-size lifeboats here that the passengers would have gotten into. I would get into it, but wearing a dress, so that might get a little tricky for me. But this takes you through a video that explains what the passengers would have been dealing with and undergoing in that moment. So again, this is very plays on all of your senses, and this is just one of the other sneak peeks that I've got. One more for you in the next half hour that we'll be showing that sets this experience apart. Again, it's about down the road, less than a mile away from Raymond James Stadium here on Dale Mabry Highway. For now, we're live in Tampa. Jenna Bass, 8 on your side.